In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly view and check your balance on WHOP. This is a straightforward process, so let's walk through it step by step to ensure you can easily manage your finances on the platform. First, you need to open WHOP. If you're using a mobile device, simply locate the app and tap it to launch. And if you're on a desktop, navigate to the website through your preferred browser. Whether you're new to WHOP or a seasoned user, this interface is intuitive, making it a breeze to get started. Once WHOP is open, your next step is to click on Profile. This is typically represented by an icon resembling a user or a person, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. This section is designed to house all your personal information and settings, creating a space that's both personalized and efficient. Now that you're in your profile, look for the option labeled Balance. On many platforms, this is located amid other account details such as settings or transaction history. This section is your financial hub, presenting a snapshot of your current situation on WHOP. This is where it all comes together. Here, you can see and check your balance. This page provides a comprehensive overview of your financial standing on the platform. From here, you can access additional details or make informed decisions about any future transactions. As you navigate this page, you'll notice it's designed for clarity and ease of use, ensuring all the information you need is right at your fingertips. If you're curious about past transactions or want to dive a bit deeper into your financial activity, chances are this page will offer links or options to explore further. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this setup, as it empowers you to manage your finances, GA, more effectively. Remember, maintaining an awareness of your balance not only helps in preventing overspending, but also assists you in strategizing your financial goals. If at any point you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to WHOP's support team for assistance. They can offer guidance and ensure all functionalities meet your needs. And there you have it. You now know how to easily view and check your balance on WHOP. With these steps, your financial management on this platform becomes not only more intuitive, but also significantly streamlined. Thanks for tuning in, and happy managing.